Hello again, and welcome to another time-sticking YouTube video. Today we're going to be discussing a very precise wristwatch from Bulova, so stick with us through this intro, and we're going to break down the timepiece a little bit with you. The brand Bulova is no stranger to staying very relevant in today's modern watch market. With a history that dates back to 1875, before they designed watches exclusively, Bulova was able to stay on top of trends and carve out a name for itself. In the 1920s, the Bulova Watch Co. took off with the first radio ad in history, selling their mass-produced Swiss-built watches to customers all over the globe. It was their popularity that led to an overseas move to America, where Bulova's precision research and development created some of the most accurate watches of the 20th century. One of the most famous styles was the tuning fork resonating Accutron from the 1960s and 70s. Accutron's electronic accuracy is surpassed by Bulova's most recent foray into HAQ, or high accuracy quartz, the Precisionist. In today's terms, the brand itself has come under the umbrella of the Citizen Watch Group. With the Japanese owning trends in high accuracy quartz watchmaking ever since the 1970s, it's no surprise that under Citizen's guidance, the Bulova brand has achieved a solid HAQ. Boasting a relative loss or gain of only 10 seconds per year, it's a quartz achievement all on its own. What's more, the Bulova Precisionist is one of the most affordable HAQ watches on the market. Starting at around just $200 on Nordstrom Rack, anyone can pick up a Precisionist at an incredibly affordable price. If you're a fan of accurate chronograph timekeeping, then it's worth considering a Precisionist Chrono. They will carry a higher price tag, but are one of timekeeping's most accurate instruments in the art. Whether you're sporting one of the luxury models, the chronograph models, or a base design of the Precisionist, you have a pretty great wristwatch on your hands. In fact, we're just going to go over a few specifications generally about the watch. Bulova built a pretty clever movement into their Precisionist. It is currently the most accurate sweeping hand wristwatch. This is because it incorporates a 3-pronged tuning fork quartz crystal, which gives it a solid torsional resonation. This aspect of the design adds a higher oscillation or vibration frequency regarding the quartz crystal. Operating with more rapid electric feedback between the circuitry and the quartz crystal gives any Precisionist an edge above a traditional 2-prong cut quartz movement. Where the average quartz watch loses or gains about 15 seconds a month, Bulova's Precisionist bests that time by 5 seconds each year and has comparable prices to its other mid-range quartz competitors. Here at Time Sticking, the majority of these watches that we see have a 316L stainless steel case and band and carbon fiber on the dial. However, there are non-stainless band options, including sport design straps and leather straps alongside the 316L stainless steel case features. A few Precisionist models are equipped with an arch crystal that aligns with the construction of the case. If the magnifying aspect of these crystals doesn't suit tastes, or some models are too sporty, then there are dressier options. Dressier so much so that you can purchase certain models with diamonds in them, starting at around $1,500. As it stands, the Precisionist is a fantastic watch model, but does have some drawbacks in terms of wrist size. Their cases take up some space, coming in between 43 to 47 millimeters in case diameter. Their cases also range from about 10 to 17 millimeters in thickness. Despite these larger sizes, they remain highly popular. Just be sure to have your watch sized well to comfort on your wrist by a quality watchmaker. Despite having this larger case size, the aesthetic and technological quality of the Bulova Precisionist is very sound. What's more, they're great for dipping toes into high accuracy quartz without spending thousands of dollars. Their design is a refreshing nod to past precision Bulova movements, mimicking Accutrons with the continued sweeping of the second hand. Currently, Bulova has about 15 models available from their official catalog. Older models of the watch can be found through retailers at reduced cost. So if you're a collector of precision movements and require one on a budget, or want a piece that will stand out and keep you on time in the best way possible, there's a Bulova Precisionist out there for you. And in terms of maintenance and care, quartz watches tend to be a little bit easier than even the highest accuracy mechanical movements, so it's important to keep an eye out for those specifications when shopping something new. Hello, and thanks for watching our YouTube video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and you can find similar videos right here. For more new and interesting content from Time Sticking on our channel, please subscribe at the link here. And for more information about wristwatch repair and watch maintenance generally, you can find us at timesticking.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.